So instead of taking money for a specific property and all this, what I do also that is extremely amazing in the world of SEC that attorneys would not recommend that. Attorneys don't want to tell you what to do because there is liability for them. When I'm telling you what to do, I'm doing it as a consultant because we're helping you set up a structure. So the way I do it is I create Class A shares, which is 250,000 to millions, 8%. Class B shares, if you buy just 25,000, one share, all the way to 249,000, you get 6%. And then I create other class of shares, which is for special circumstances, fund manager shall have the power and the opportunity at his or her discretion to offer special terms for the investor. So what we just done is, to answer your question, for that person that you want them to be in a specific deal, you can put in the promissory note after they fill out the qualification questionnaire and the subscription agreement and they're investing, you can put in the promissory note, Susie Johnson is investing and she will benefit so much from this particular deal, and she cannot cash out for 2 years because the deal is going to take 2 years. You see my point? You can put some special wording for one individual. Like we've had somebody come in and say, I'll give you $1 million, but I don't want 8. Can you give me 9? How about 10 if I put $2 million? $2 million, promissory note. Special class of shares will be at 10% for Susie Johnson, but she will commit to 4 years without withdrawal. And if she changes her mind, she will revert to 8%. So when I cash her out, I'll deduct what I overpaid. So she's happy, I'm happy, and I got $2 million within one fell swoop. That's the leeway I do when I structure the funds. And by the way, when you structure a fund, it's one fund. And you can keep running it for 20 years. When you set up a syndication, you go into an attorney and you pay them the $30,000, you got to pay another one for another syndication, another one. Maybe they give you a discount on the second one. I saw one lady promoting, she's an attorney, she said, on the second one, I'll give it to you at $20,000. Well, okay, but then you keep setting up these funds. Why? Don't complicate your life. Just set up one. Instead of syndications, one fund. Instead of equity, that fund. It will get clearer as I repeat myself and as we ask more questions. These are great questions, by the way. This is best.
I know.